An impatient truck driver rages at another driver for not letting him merge in front.
Idiot. Come on, man. What's up?
Somebody tries to swerve into you on accident, or if they got their blinker on,
You know,
should kind of stop, bro. Because if you would have,
I have the right of way. I have the right of way, my friend.
But you can cause another
I have the right of way, my friend.
You
So
know what I'm saying, though?
you better learn how to drive again. You know what I'm saying? That's why I have this. That's why I have this, my friend.
Listen, what I'm saying is, it could have caused another accident.
Hey,
You'd have just
you guys picked that lane. I didn't pick that lane. You guys picked that lane. So, you know, whatever.
Lady in a red car on the right didn't even check for oncoming traffic.
Are you f***ing blind? F***ing go! Stupid go! Use your f***ing eyes! Who f***ing taught you to drive?
Come on, dude. Get the f*** out of here. Jesus Christ.
This driver almost had head-on with semi-truck. Take a look.
Holy f***.
Stories from a star known for conquering the big stage.
Holy f***.
Mark Anthony's Evidence Radio, a limited run channel.
Holy
And in the Sirius XM app.
Keep in mind that this intersection has only one lane for turning left, and this pickup truck driver wasn't wrong. Check out what he did next.
Oh, look at this. What's your problem, dude?
¿Cuál es tu problema?
You don't know how to drive?
No, I not drive.
Okay, give me your,
No,
give me your
you
info then.
hit me.
I hit you. You're the one that went to my lane.
Why
Bro,
you don't say
bro,
nothing with
you
the
got
license?
this one and you got this one. So you got there's no argument. There's no argument, brother. Give me your info. Give me your info. I'm gonna call CHP as well.
Which one? What are you talking?
California Highway Patrol.
Okay. Hold on.
Move up a little bit.
Come on, dude. You got a death wish?
Road rage is pointless. It endangers everyone on the road and solves nothing. Staying calm and patient keeps everyone safe.
What the
Truck driver fails to yield and almost causes head-on crash.
Christ?
Sabi niya kahit na
Uy, utang ina ka. Utang ina ka. Utang ina kayo.
You can go up there.
Whoa, what is he doing?
You can.
Am I invisible? What is wrong with you? Oh, what the hell? Seriously. 6JZB904. Guy, come on, man. What the Jesus. Bam, there it was. Really? Really? Wow! Wow!
Okay, Garmin. Okay, Garmin. Save video. Stupid.
we're coming out of Seattle or something.
Unfortunately, this driver behind didn't notice that cars in front had stopped and rear-ended this driver. Luckily, no one was injured.
Find a parking spot.
Oh, look at this idiot.
Oh my god.
What an idiot. What's going on with people nowadays? This guy's on my ass.
Yeah, because he doesn't want anybody to get in like that.
We're now moving on to body horror instead. Let's do some body horror. Bobby, what did you bring in the science world today for us? What's going on?
This overtaking driver on the right got hit by instant karma. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.